guys, now I've received almost all of the bag organizers from Senamon and Samorga. So I'm gonna do the review and comparison between them. And I've got all my bags back here that they fit in. Sorry for the bad lighting, but I'm gonna put them in front so it's gonna be easier to see. So I thought I would start with Samorga, and for Samorga I got 5 or 6 organizers actually. So I got these and these two, but I'm gonna start with the smallest one, and that was actually a last minute customization they did for me, and it is this little pouch that goes into my mini O case, and it has no pocket. Hi guys, so I received my free organizers from Senamon and Samorga, and I'm gonna do this this is gonna be a quick video because I have a longer one on YouTube. So I'm gonna do basically the Birkin 30 because that's easier. I have to check my phone which one is which. So I got, these are both the Birkin 30. This is Senamon's and this is Samorga's, and I decided I wanted basically the same layout. So if we start with Senamon, it's 2 D-rings, but it's O-rings, so you can remove them and switch them out to whatever rings you want. Then I've got 2 sliding pockets on this side and a lipstick holder there, and yeah, I don't know what that pocket is, but yeah, it's some kind of pocket because I saw the lipstick holder is actually there, this is really fun because this is new with her, and this is actually, it's between the sliding pockets, and in her old versions her lipstick pocket was actually an actual pocket. So this is also Senamon, but this one actually clamps down your lipstick, so it's easier to take out, which is fabulous. I'm like, why didn't you do that before? And then both of them have the key thing. So this is in bright orange from Samorga, and this is in bright yellow from Senamon. And Senamon's is it has like an extra layer of some material, so it's reinforced, whereas Samorga's is like thinner and it's reinforced with a base plate. You can see the seams here where it's sewn like an extra felt plate. So it's thinner, a little bit thicker, weighs like a fraction more from with the extra felt. But so the pros and cons with these, I would say pro Samorga. It's thin, it's very light. I love the color. I mean, the seams are much thinner, so it's very well made. The D-rings are beautiful, very dainty. But the cons, it's like the Cellier style with the seams, so it's kind of like pointing. Not my fan favorite. Pros with Senamon. definitely the double layer. Definitely. Also that you can change this if you want to like remove this and put like a normal clasp. For some reason you might want to add that, or put a chain, or maybe you can like put a chain and I don't know, wear it as a bag or something. And that is this, the rounded corners. I love that because it feels softer for the bag inside. So that is the pros and cons. Then, of course, Samorga. Everyone knows it's expensive. They do have discounts quite often, but it's quite expensive. I think like without the discount, it's somewhere between like 70 and 100 plus. I think with all this, it would have cost me like 110, 120. Senamon, hers start at like $49. And both of them are handmade, by the way. So, it's like, the main thing is like, what do you want? Like, both are really good, handmade. Do you want to pay a lot for money, or do you want to pay less? It depends on how often you use the bag organizer, like everything like that, because you can customize all of them. But I just have to show you for the review that from Senamon I got this one. I got one because she's like it's a small company. It's like basically her husband and her son, and they make this by hand. And from Samorga I got like 6 organizers. The pull-in, see me. This was for a customized bag. Well, didn't fit, even though I actually sent pictures and the measurements for the bag. But it works for another bag, so it was good. I got this for the O case. And Kelly 28 Cellier, Birkin 30, and this is for the Andiamo medium. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from Senamon. Oh, from 6 from Samorga, 1 from Senamon. Just to be clear, 6 from Samorga, 1 from Senamon. And that was so generous. And I actually might have a follow-up with this. There's a few organizers that are coming for smaller bags that I'm gonna compare, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's gonna be interesting too, because these were all for bigger bags, like handbags. The other ones are much smaller, it's like for pouches. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment. And oh yeah, I have discount codes for both Senamon and Samorga. Both are for 10% of your entire order. Senamon's discount code is ALVIN 10. So Alvin 10. And Samorga's discount code is ALVIN 2024. So Alvin 24. And again, 10% discount for your entire order for both of them. And they're both valid from October 14th to December 31st. So you have quite a long time to use them. And I don't know if you can only apply them once or if you can do it twice, like if you do separate orders. Worth a try to check that out. I don't know. But it was really generous of both these companies to send these for free. So I could do this comparison video and to give me a discount code to give to you. So I'm really, really grateful. Huge shout out to Marie for and Samorga. She was so fast at responding and so nice. With all my questions, I was like changing layouts. I'm like, oh, I want this instead, and she's like, oh yeah, that's no problem. And I'm like, this one was actually, I didn't even like order this from the beginning. I saw it like on another website, and I texted her and I'm like, oh, can you make one like this? Because I want something in this pouch because I want pop of color. And she's like, oh yeah, no problem, we'll do that, we'll throw that in too. So I got, like, ordered 5, and then I got like that for free, which was amazing. So huge shout out, thank you Marie. And I also have to thank Senna at Senamon, because I've been shopping with her for like 5-6 years, and she's always so nice, and she ships everything, like, it's really good. That's fabulous. But also I have to say, package wise, yeah, sorry, the video cut out because my phone got too on. About the shipping, Samorga sent it in the box, a FedEx box, really good. Senamon sent it in a FedEx bag, but since it's soft it doesn't matter. But yeah, basically I just wanted to add that. But again, great companies, both of them, down to the price. Do you want to spend a little bit more, or do you want to have like 50 organizers? Maybe go with Senamon. But quality wise, both are extremely good. So thank you so much for watching.